this little unboxing. So this is the first package that came. I guess it was like a large order, so they had to split it up. This right here is a workout set, so it's like 5-piece. The first piece is the long sleeve crop top. So I got this in a small, and this is a workout set, and I like it because it's like super stretchy, and it got the little thumb holes. Y'all see it? I thought I had got the lighter pink, but I guess I had got the darker pink, but it's still cute. Then you got the short sleeve crop top. Then that's the second piece. This is the third piece. You got a sports bra. That's the third piece. You got the matching biker shorts. Y'all see? And then the leggings. Oh yeah, this is cute. I can't wait to put this on. Alright y'all, this is the next package. So basically I got 2 of the 5-piece workout sets. I got one in the color gray, which I'm gonna show you guys, and then the other in this pink color, which I just showed you guys. And then I got just some neutral loungewear just to wear around the house, like, you know, every day. Again, they all in extra small. Oh, I like this color. Look at this. This color on me, I think it's gonna be real pretty. So girl got a crop top with some leggings. So this is one piece. Okay, so I got it in the khaki color or nude. I got it in white. I see that? And then it got the little white top. I got it in brown. Oh, I'm so in love with this already, y'all. I can't wait to try it on. Oh my god. Okay, so that's all of those. Now I got this. I got this small. Okay, so it's just a little, it's like a little one-piece bodysuit. What you call this? A romper? So yeah, just in a very neutral cream, milky white color. Yeah. So this is the material that I like. It's thick. But yeah. So I also got to show y'all the 5-piece dark gray workout set. I got the sports bra. It comes with the biker shorts. It comes with also the crop top shirt. Then it comes with the long sleeve crop top shirt with the thumb holes. And then the leggings. So I'm so excited for my little workout sets and my little neutral sets. I'm about to go right back on Temu and get all of them, like in every color. What's up, y'all? So I want y'all to keep in mind that these clips were filmed on different days. So we're gonna start with outfit number 1. And again, this is a Temu try on haul. I got all of these pieces from Temu, and I will make sure to link them down below. If I forget, y'all, remind me in the comments. If it's something that y'all want to know the details of, let me know and I'll link it down below. But anyways, here is outfit number 1. And it's basically the 2-piece long sleeve crop top and pants. It's basically like the legging material. It has some stretch to it, but not a lot. I believe depending on the color, these can be see-through, especially white, because I have a white one. But you can kind of see like the lining of my bra, so I will wear like a different bra with this. But for the most part, what y'all think? Like, it's cute how it fits. So I'm 5'4", and it comes down to my ankle. So I will say I like the length, and I love the color, y'all. I am tapping into a capsule wardrobe. Like, I just want more toned down, neutral, everyday colors and everyday pieces that I can just mix and match and wear on a daily basis instead of loud, colorful pieces. I'm more so focused on that on vacation, but like as of just every day, really ever since I became a mom, y'all, I just been wanting to be comfortable. Like, the girls that get it, because now I get it. I didn't at first, but now I definitely get it, especially if you're chasing a toddler around all day long. But you can definitely dress this up though. Probably like throw on some sneakers if you want to do like more of a casual look, or maybe some boots and like a trench if that's what you're going for. But yeah, I really love pieces like this. Again, the color on my skin, I just really love it. And yeah, let me know what y'all think about it below. Alright y'all, so this is outfit number 2 and it's in the color dark brown. This is how this one is looking, and again, same thing. Of course, your darker colors won't be as see-through as the lighter colors, like that nude and the white one I have. I should have got this in a black because why not? I might go back and get one. But yeah, this is dark brown, I think a size small, and it pretty much fits the same. But I forgot to mention, it doesn't have a lot of stretch, so y'all may want to size up. So I guess it's more so true to size, but again, it fits the same way, same length and everything. And this is how the back is looking. So yeah, it's cute y'all. I really love these. I got these for the fall, but they are definitely still perfect for the winter as well, because it feels like it has like some extra soft lining inside as well as inside the pants, so it'll definitely keep you warm. And yeah, these are just some of the colors I love to keep in my closet. So yeah, I love this color brown as well. Let's move on to the next outfit. All right y'all, so the white one is definitely see-through, the top and the bottom, so it's not much I can show you, but I'm just gonna keep my hand over the top. Even though you can still see it, it's still cute if you can find a way to make it not see-through, but for the most part, let me show y'all. So fits the same, got the same size, and you know, you can kind of see it. It's like see-through in the back and right here at the top. So yeah, it ain't much I can really do with this, but if you're gonna buy some white, make sure it's a thicker material so it's not see-through. So I definitely love how white looks on my skin, very clean. So I'm pretty sure I'll be on the hunt to find another piece or another set just like this, but in a thicker material, because I would still love to be able to wear white and just to have a set like this. So it's still cute, but just be careful when y'all getting white. Y'all see my ponytail? Ain't it cute? All right y'all, this was outfit number 3. Now we're finna move on to the 5-piece workout set outfits. All right y'all, so now I'm on the 5-piece workout set. So basically it comes with a sports bra, a short sleeve crop top, a long sleeve crop top, some biker shorts, and some long leggings. So you can really mix and match each piece to create more than one outfit to wear to the gym. So if you are a person that likes to wear sports bras to the gym, then you'll have more pieces to mix and match. But me, on the other hand, I'll just be wearing my sports bra underneath my shirts. All right y'all, so this is what the short sleeve crop top with the biker shorts look like. I like this look. Of course, this will work more for the summertime. So, and I like how it fits, and it does have some good stretch, but again, just to be comfortable, you may want to size up. But yeah, this is cute. All right y'all, now I am on to, sorry y'all, I gotta remember to look here. I keep looking at myself. But anyways, now I have on the long sleeve crop top with the biker shorts. So let me show y'all how that look. This also has thumb holes, which I really love. And this is what this one is looking like. So now we mix in seasons, but I love this look though. So it's cute. And again, I just have the sports bra underneath. So yeah y'all, for this price, these are good quality. Because I know a lot of people talk about the quality of Temu clothing. It's not all they clothes y'all, because I've been testing out some clothes. You have to read the material. For this price and this quality, so worth it, especially because you get multiple outfits out of this set. All right y'all, so now I have on the long sleeve crop top with the long leggings. So let me let y'all see this. These leggings are actually so comfortable. Now this is like a wintertime workout set, so I really love this because y'all see what I'm saying, how you can just mix and match all the pieces and wear them for different seasons. So instead of you just ordering one workout set, you can style this 5-piece set many different ways. Y'all see what I'm saying? But again, it's so cute, and I would definitely be wearing this to the gym when I go to the gym. But first, we're gonna start working out at home, so y'all stay tuned for that because I got some things in mind. All right y'all, so now I have on the short sleeve with the leggings. Let me show y'all how this looks. This is again great for winter if you got like a little workout jacket that you can put on and just take it off as you're working out, or however you want to do it. But you can just mix and match this set so many different times. If y'all keeping count, drop it in the comment section below how many times you can switch out the pieces of these outfits. All right, y'all, gray set with the short sleeve crop top and the gray biker shorts. Again, same old, but this is cute for the summertime. It's comfortable, it hugs my body, it's not too tight. It just depends on your comfort. You may want to size up, but this is pretty comfortable for me, and the stretch is pretty decent to me as well, but I will say it pretty much gives true to size. All right, y'all, now it is the long sleeve crop top with the biker shorts. Let me show y'all what this looks like. Mixed in seasons, and it's cute, it's comfortable, and I really love the long sleeve with the shorts look. So you can go either way. These are just some really cute workout outfits, whether you go to the gym or not. So I just really love these. I'm gonna have to go on Temu and see what else I can find. These actually impressed me the way they fit. I am so sorry about shaking my ponytail, but like, if you know, you know, and if you don't, you will if you get locks. So
Bitch, I'm from Memphis. What you know about me? Big G-L-O-N-G-L-E.
whew, I'm tired. Okay, we almost done. All right, y'all, long sleeve crop top with the leggings. So again, just like the pink set, perfect for the winter time. The fit is amazing, and I just really love this. Like, it's cute. This is a cute dark gray color. So y'all check out Temu. Don't sleep on Temu. I would say Temu is like Amazon for people on a budget. Y'all see what I'm saying? And that's a good thing, because Temu pretty much has a lot of stuff. Because real quick, for example, when I was buying like some home decor and everything, I go to Amazon and I would search up something, then I'll go to Temu and I'll find it cheaper. Of course, you want to look at the quality of certain things, so it really depends on what you're looking for. All right, we got the short sleeve crop top with the leggings, just like the last set. And I'm gonna make sure to pop up the information on the side. Hopefully I don't forget, but of course, if y'all have any questions, make sure y'all comment them down below so I can answer all y'all questions, so that if y'all want this same set, y'all can get it. Get more for your money. Why not? All right, I got on this black romper, and this is so cute and chill to wear in the house. You can dress this up or down. All right, y'all, so now I got on the cream romper. Again, super cute. You can just wear this in the house. Very comfortable and very stretchy. And yeah, I just love these. I got like another pink one. But yeah, y'all, this will conclude my try on haul. All right, y'all, so that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you never miss another video. Also follow me on all social medias. They are linked down in the description box below. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching.